What's happening, Kim folk? Welcome back to the channel, man. This is day 2 of riding the weekend out, man. So we're out here with my brother, a different group today. We're riding with my brother and a bunch of buddies of his from work. And so we're over here just hanging out right now, waiting for everybody to meet up, and then we're gonna head out. But also got a special guest up in here today, man. We've got Mr. Scott from Texas, motorcycle rider, man. Scott's riding a, what you got?
2019 Street Glide Special, Scorched Orange and Denim Black.
Beautiful bike,
with
man.
With the signature Hot 2.
I'll get you some of that.
Got the Hot 2 at Lincoln City. We're out here riding in this cold weather for you guys, man.
Exactly.
Rubber down, having some fun, let everybody live vicariously through us in our little motorcycle vlogs.
That's it, man. So look, his link will be down below. Y'all make sure you go check him out, and he'll have his own video of this ride as well, man. He's got the 360 out here, so he's gonna be taking some cool shots with that stuff. But we got some other bikes out here, man. We got my brother's bike. We got an Africa Twin, BMW. This Joker.
That's what Scott told me.
Road King out here. This scooter. Isaiah, what? How fast your scooter goes?
On a good day, 35.
35. Hey, yeah, man. Y'all know Isaiah. He's been in a lot of our videos, man. So we're gonna hang out. We're gonna go to Old Montgomery Steakhouse. Is that the plan? Montgomery Steakhouse, and then Yankees. Huh?
Sounds good. Breakfast sounds good.
Yeah, it does sound good. And we're gonna eat all that good stuff, man. Yankees be my second day in a row already. I went Yankees yesterday. Well, we rode out there yesterday, so. But yeah, man, we're waiting on some other people, and then once everybody gets here, we'll take off. So we'll get you some video of that, but we'll holler at y'all in a little bit, man.
We're not gonna be blocking any traffic. We're not gonna be doing any of that kind of stuff. Everybody can catch up. You know, we're not gonna be doing anything hard. Martin here is gonna be leading the ride. He knows some better roads. So you see him, he's our leader. I'll be in the middle somewhere, and my brother will be sweeping in the back. So in case anybody lags behind or has any trouble, we'll be back there with you guys. But we're gonna head to Old Montgomery Steakhouse first. From there, we'll discuss which roads.
we are headed out, eh?
Out.
Good time?
Out.
Man, so now we're headed to the house. So appreciate y'all watching.
15 wrong turns, I'm out.
We're gonna head out, man. And like I said, y'all go check out Texas Motorcycle Rider, man. And give him a follow, let him know Knuckles sent you over there. But we're about to get out of here, so we'll holler at y'all later, man. And until the next time, much love, much respect. See ya.